You are not like everybody else. You're different. And I can tell that you're different because you're watching this video. I can tell that you're different because of the way that you move, the way that you do things that can change your life for good, the choices that you make, the sacrifices that you've put yourself through. I can tell that you're different. When you're in digital marketing, there's something that lights up within you. There's a realization of yourself, the fact that you took a risk of not knowing and stepping out of your comfort zone and realizing that that cell phone that you have in your hand, that tablet or that computer that you're on, that can be your success. That waking up in the morning and sitting in traffic for an hour and a half to get to a 9 to 5 that you are not valued, you know that's not success. You know that is a means to an end. So you're different because you're choosing change. Because you're looking into digital marketing and looking into seeing what is the value within it. You are realizing that that 9 to 5 can be a thing of the past if you apply yourself to your digital marketing journey. And you're realizing that your work ethic is so much more possible and it's more valued when you're pouring into yourself. You can see your full potential within digital marketing because step by step you are guided. Step by step you are told what to do next. And you have mentorship and you have amazing people in your community and you have so many things that you can learn. So hi for those of you who have reached this part of the video. My name is Tracy and I'm a digital marketer. And I first purchased the Launchpad program. It was a journey and a half. But I did not forget my why. And my why till today is that little boy that looks to me and thinks that I can change the world. My elderly parents that look at me and think that I make things possible. Even if I come into my room and I fall apart, or I go at some point in the part of the house and I just don't know where to go or what to do. There's people that's looking to me. They are my why. And because of my why, I stay consistent. I work hard. I push myself. I push boundaries. Because my digital marketing journey is literally what will put food on my table for the rest of my life. This digital marketing journey will also help me start my own brick and mortar business. It is also a means to an end, but on my terms. Not like a 9 to 5 where I am micromanaged, broken down by toxic employers and employees that are working at the company with me. So when you start a digital marketing journey, look into your why this is different, why this can eliminate that 9 to 5, and why a program that can teach you the skills to earn multiple streams of income will make your 2025 different. You deserve it. I'm saying and I'm telling you, value yourself enough to be different instead of following like we are taught to do so. We are taught to go to school, go to university or get a job and work and then work overtime for extra money. And we know that even overtime is a lie. You could work 5 hours of overtime but see 2.5 hours of overtime funds added to your monthly income or your weekly income. So even overtime is a lie. But you've lost that hours and you've lost the ability to make the memories with your family that you else would be able to make if you had your own online business. So online business, digital marketing equals true freedom. And you deserve it. So if you would like to change the life of not only you, but the loved ones that you look at and that looks up to you every day. Every morning when you leave, you miss a memory. Every evening when you come home, you've missed a bunch of memories too. So if you would like to change this, comment me in the comments so I can get you the step-by-step blueprint that will definitely change your life.